ato na ta sa Napo Elementary School. Excited na ba guys kay mag donate po mi. Unsa man pa excited ka nang mapaykaon ba? Lisod man ni pasip. Excited na kita kay maghatod ta sa ato ang charity nga itabang sa Napo Elementary School sa Guadalupe. Let's go! What's up?
Sorry, girlie. Auto na ito po. Pag umata.
Ang over pa ka daw.
Wala mo.
Hangover. Kita ram gyapon to 4 gabi kay no.
Aplas mo, ko lamig akong tulog ba?
Nga plus. So karon ano ni hato dito sa GI ko. Nay basura.
Ano ko sa atbang na siya? Yan na lamig.
Istorya.
Ito man na.
Asa ka?
Call Juduran.
Kira. Tara. Ang Sanay. Ang viral nga mask.
Tugsadihan nilargan ang grupo. Paingon sa lugar sa lahang napilian at tagaan sila sa kapagong proyekto abagatagong kaalam o kaayuhan para sa eskwelahan at tagaan sila ang outreach program.
Sabay sunod.
Mga books guys, bukas kay ang mga libro na hatag ato sa kabataan sa Guadalupe. Naabot kita diri guys sa Napo Elementary School.
Sorry, I'm late.
Saan ka pa to?
Grams, di alam tinggal diri.
Picture na ba?
Ha? Ha?
Background sa'yo, no?
Man na yung video na.
The Great Train Robbery. Tubloan sila sa robbery.
Basa.
Sir, ito nang pwede sa stage lang para i-picture na kami.
Saan ka na mo?
Wala palabi mamay.
Okay, ganahan mi tagduha mo, sir. Tagduha yung
Pinatiin.
Okay.
Pinatalit na din eh.
Pinakalit lagi kay pag Saturday pista mo ko na to.
Sir ba? Salain sir kani. Salain sir ba?
Ah.
Okay.
Hi. Kira mo? Ay sa mga grade? Grade 5 no?
Sila sir, karang
Mura mga grade 1. Dog. Cute ba kayo?
Ya. Ay, sagot. Nganong mulihok mo na yung cellphone?
Ihas ka.
Kailan kayo na ako'y umabot na kamera. Karon
Ito?
January, nagpabuhat na ko.
Masa to?
GoPro.
GoPro pabuhat.
Nagpabuhat ko. Customize ka. Kahoy ang case.
Wow.
Sa mga 5 lang siguro.
This is a special event where we gather today to witness a significant ceremony that will benefit our school community. Okay, a program that will surely help in making a difference in the lives of our students. Thank you so much to Breakback Mountain for your generosity and unwavering support as always. To invite everyone to please rise for the singing of our Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Good morning, kids! Yes, dagko kayo ngisi atong mga kids kay another blessing na sad ang atong nadawat. Lunes adlaw, daghang grasya. Thank you so much, Breakback Mountain. Napo Elementary School is very honored to have our stakeholders with us today.
Breakback Mountain. So, thank you sir and ma'am, sirs and ma'am for your presence today for sharing your blessings to Napo Elementary School. So gamit kayo ang answer no, ang garbage bin para sa Napo Elementary School kaya as you can see wala may gagmay ra mo kaning inani na siya nga answer ba.
We are very excited to hear the message as well from our very generous stakeholders. So we have the representative, Miss Lovely Langkuyan. Okay, a round of applause, please, para sa atong generous nga stakeholder.
Yes, good morning, kids. Yeah, so we are your ates and kuyas from Breakback Mountain. So good morning for the teachers and also to all the officers. Yeah, we're here. It's because napili na mo inyong school as one of our beneficiaries sa amuang charity. So just to to give you a background. So we are a family, and then our founder, he's also in Switzerland. So we are also tied to Guardians Marilag Swiss International Chapter. So that's why daghan na po ka ng schools na natabangan. Definitely our goal is to look for schools na matabangan namo. Though it may not be that that huge, but definitely, all we can say from all the members of Breakback Mountain, it all comes from our heart. Keep your your school green and green, kaya especially makakita ko ka ng grabe man dyan siya kalimpyo. definitely yung makita na nakalat. And then kato lang, just kind of also when you grow up, pay it forward. Mora na siya. Okay.
Thank you so much. So, sabot ni Ma'am, no, what goes around, comes around. Thank you so much for that very inspiring and warm message, Ma'am Lovely. All right. And raincoats. Nemo, ang fish. Yes. Hala, oy, mga creative. Mga creative kaayo. Dili lang basta-basta trash bin ilang gihatag. Nemo?
Certificate of recognition is proudly awarded to Breakback Mountain in sincere appreciation and recognition of your generous donations and for your support in the Adapt a School or Brigada Escuela Plus activities of the Department of Education, Division of Cebu City, Cebu, Philippines for the school year 2025-2026. Your selfless support and generosity are truly commendable and have made a significant impact on our mission to serve the community.
Ninyo, daghang salamat sa pagpili sa Napu Elementary School sa usa sa inyong mga gisponsoran. So, we are very lucky and angels brought you here sa among school. So, pagpaka na to sila, mga bata.
Thank you very much, Breakback Mountain.